Your angels are saying to you today, you are about to manifest a miracle. Your dedication to getting a little better every day has created an unstoppable momentum that will carry you into an abundant future. Your will to do the right thing, even if it's the hard thing, is unlocking doors that were invisible. Your trust in Source to guide you is lighting a perfect path ahead. Find a balance between setting goals and being open to outcomes that are even better than you could have wished. Type yes if you needed this, and also subscribe the channel.